And welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a one hitter. So what you'll need to do is right here do a grab, 180 spin, and all in one sequence. So let's try this. So what you'll need to do is just go faster right here, flick, you can jump it and grab the board. So it can be a little bit tricky, so just don't give up. And as you can see, the hardest part is the best sequence. So just try and do the best sequence. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.